Hi, my name is Christy Cross and I'm a portrait photographer. How do you figure out your composition for a photograph? Let's say we are working with people. Something that I've learned from a long time ago is how to shoot from different angles. You have your idea that you want to shoot, your first original idea, right? But then I want you to try working around your subject. Shoot from the left, shoot from the right, shoot from above, shoot from below, shoot from behind, all directions, okay? Then whenever you pull your images up in your editing process, you can look and decide which picture you liked the best. It has happened many, many times where my first original idea does not end up being my favorite photograph from that particular set. It always ends up being something different. So we have our original ideas, but if we can just branch out a little bit and try new angles, more than likely we will either find a better idea or we will just also find better poses and more poses for our client or for yourself if you're just shooting for yourself. So composition 101, shoot all around your subject, okay? Go try it.